guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Rev Week. And in today's video we are doing a lip swatching video of these bad boys. But before that, make sure you are subscribed down below and you've got that notification bell on, because if you like videos like this, you're definitely gonna like my channel. So first off, let's talk about these lip kits. Now these are from the Friends Series 3 X Revolution range. They cost £8.95. Let me double check. £8.99. They cost £8.99 and you get 2 glosses and a lip liner in each. You've got Phoebe, you've got Rachel, and you've got Monica. Now these were meant to come out originally, I don't know what happened, like they were meant to come out the next week, then they didn't, then they came out the week after. So this is such a prolonged video, like I've been waiting to do this video for a very long time. So we are going to start off with Rachel's because it's not my favourite of the bunch and I want to end with my favourite. Just to let you know, when I did open these and I took the packaging off, like these lip liners are so hard. Oh my god, to open it to the point where I broke the nib. So I'm gonna have to sharpen this, and I can actually bend this, which is weird. These are much softer than the previous lip liners, and this is what Rachel's lip liner looks like. This is what the 2 glosses look like. So you get a paler colour. What I'm gonna do is get the lipstick out and see if it matches at all. So that is the paler shade, and then that is the darker shade. I must admit the darker shade is a bit more me. But do you know what? Rachel's lipstick is... There's so much noise going on out there. Rachel's lipstick is a more lavender type colour. Like I have it right here because I did just use it. And I don't feel like that is a lip kit. Like, shouldn't they have tried to match it a little bit? That is really cool toned. But yeah, I really hoped that the lipsticks would match the lip kit so you could just use it all in conjunction with each other. But it doesn't. So yeah, that is Rachel's. I am going to plop the lip liner on and show you what it looks like. This is Rachel's lip liner on. It's nice. I like it. It's not as creamy as other lip liners that I've had, but it is creamier than Revolution lip liners that I've had in the past. Now I'm thinking let's go in with the darker colour and we're going to ombre this out a bit. So this is the darker lip gloss on, this shade here. The only issue I'm having with them is that you're having to really dip into the lip gloss quite a lot to get this pigmentation. But if you don't mind that, then this is a lovely, lovely colour. And then we're going to put this one in the centre, which is actually lightening it up a little bit. And this is what Rachel's gloss looks like, and her whole lip kit. It is nice. I like it. It's not something I would reach for out of all of them the most. This is the one that I would use, but the least amount I would use it. I don't gravitate towards this as much, but it is a really lovely, lovely colour. Glosses are not too sticky. You move your lips around. It's not something you feel like you're always going to get your hair stuck in, unless it's windy, then you will get your hair stuck in this. But other than that, it's a really, really nice combo. I do like it, and do you know what? It all worked well in the end, even if I had to dip in these quite a lot and then I had to sharpen my pencil. And I've realised I'm not going to stick the pencil in. Okay. I'm not going to stick the lid on too far down because otherwise you can't open it. It gets stuck. So only a slight way down. It's like the suction is really strong on those. But yeah, now let's move on to Monica. Again, it is in the same packaging as like their palettes and their lipsticks and stuff, so they have kept on trend. And that is what Monica's lip liner looks like. It's funny because it is red, yet it's a brown. And this is the colour of the 2 glosses. The darker brown is definitely a bit of me. So that is the dark brown colour. It's a shame there's no actual colours on here. Like they could have named them something, just like they named the shadows. And then the lighter one, which is not something I would gravitate towards, to be fair, is just there. I probably have 1,000 lipsticks that look like this. So let's put this all on. I'm going to do the lip liner and show you that first before I do the glosses, just like Rachel's lip kit. This is what the lip liner looks like on. I I've done a lip swatch video already, so it's getting harder for me to put lip liner on. Nothing against the lip liner, it's literally because of how many times I've put lip products on. So let's put Monica's darker gloss on. Oh wow, I love this. This is what the dark lip gloss looks like. Is it bad that I don't want to add the lighter gloss on it? I feel like this is the perfect shade. I don't really want to mix it, but I'm gonna mix it anyway. Now we have the lighter gloss on. So yeah, this is what all of it looks like together. Monica's one is a bit more of my favourite, but we're going to get into Phoebe's, which is definitely more my style. And then this is Monica's lipstick on the end from the original Friends series, and I do feel like this does actually go with her selection. Like if you were to put the lip liner, that lipstick on, and a little bit of the gloss, any of the glosses, it would look amazing. So the lipstick actually matches, which I'm happy about, and I'm really liking this lip combo, really loving it. And the next one we have, last but not least, is Phoebe's. I'm really excited to show you guys this one. See, oh my god, oh, it's coming, it's coming. Oh my god, you can actually stretch the lip liner doing that. That is the lip liner right there. And this is the shades of the two glosses. I'm actually so in love with the looks of these ones. And that is the set there. So you got the dark gloss, the lip liner, and the lighter lip gloss. We're also going to swatch her lipstick to see if it matches. I don't think it might. Actually, you might be able to do that with this because it's more of a pinkier one, like that. You know what, for this one, we're going to use her lipstick with the lip liner and put a gloss over it. This is the lip liner on, and this is the lipstick on. I love it. Absolutely love it. This is with the darker lip gloss on. I am in love with this combo. It is my favourite combo because there is a bit of a berry pink in there, and you know how much I love that. Love this lip kit, I must admit. It does go with the lipstick really well. I do wish that they would have actually thought about the lipstick when making these lip kits, because you can definitely tell by Rachel's that I don't feel like they did, like really and truly. But I do love this lip combo. This is my favourite by far. The lip glosses are not too thick whatsoever, and you can really build them up. Yeah, you've got to go in the tube thousands of times, but do you know what? I do like them, and I love all these shades. Literally, I'll pick out my favourites. So I love both of Phoebe's glosses. Like, there's not one over the other that I wouldn't use. I love Rachel's darker gloss, and I love Monica's darker gloss. The lighter ones I could probably do without from Rachel and Monica's, but do you know what? I probably will use them at one stage. It's just not my favourite ones to use. And you know what? For £8.99, 3 lip items, that's £3 each. It's quite an affordable lip kit, I must admit. I do like them. They're just not my favourite, but I do really love them, and I will probably be wearing this combo quite a lot. You will see this quite a lot, and I really do hope you did enjoy this video. I hope that you got some answers to any questions that you may have about these lip kits from this video. If you do want to question me a little bit more, do that in the comments down below, and I will answer them. The lip liners are just a little bit like creamy. They're not overly creamy like my MUA ones, but they're not creamy like the old Revolution lip liners. So I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please smash it huge thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye guys.